If you really like what you're doing, or you really want to do something, just go at it and don't give up. That's what a Rhode Island rooster should look like. And it was off of this. Morning, fellas. Today we're gonna release our chickens. There we go. You're gonna surround me. Little pecking. See? Little aggressiveness, but he in the back. Let's do this. Let's do this, buddy. It's cool. Goldie. There's our daily egg, and I see another one right over there somewhere. All right. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you some of my roosters and our chickens too. A little update since we got them. It's been a while, about 8-9 months now, maybe even 10. But yeah, they're pretty big now, and I'll be showing them to you. Little update. All right, let's get started. Yeah, every morning I release my chickens, let them free range. But unfortunately, the two roosters always go at us, so they take turns one a day. But who knows, this might be the day when they get along and they can both free range at the same time. There's my Rhode Island Red chicken, Carla. And here's Chicken Joe. Let's get our egg, fellas. And yeah, I have to clean this coop. I'm gonna clean it on my day off. Only chance I get. And we got our 2 daily eggs now. I put those in my pocket, and let's open a free range, see what happens with the roosters. There's Salvis, Goldie, and there goes Carla. My rooster's out there, he's coming out already. And let's see what happens. There you go, pretty good. Something about my chickens and roosters is that they practically eat anything. Like they'll eat meat, fruits, and even dog food. Alright then guys, well here we are with our eggs, and we started raising chickens about 9 to 10 months ago, and it was off of this for the eggs and meat. Well, I'm not gonna eat them yet, but maybe one day. But these are the eggs that we raise chickens for. It provides for our family, and we don't buy a lot of eggs now because we got these. And my chickens, they're doing all right. I got Rhode Island Reds because I heard they were one of the best egg layers out there. And it's a dual purpose bird. You can raise them for meat or for eggs. So I'm gonna be showing them to you. Got them when they were little chicks, and now they're huge. Planning to expand and get more soon in the future. So let's show my birds. I think guys, this is my rooster, Elvis. He's like my main rooster, the one with most character. And this is what a Rhode Island rooster should look like. He's huge. He's about I want to say like 8 pounds. 8-pound rooster. And a good Rhode Island Red should have yellow legs, green tail, and its cone should have at least 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good right there. Then his wobbly thing. His ears are all red too. I've seen one that looks like him, but has white ears. Rhode Island Red should have all red. That's why it's Rhode Island Red. Well, this is the bird. Got him when he was a little chick, and now he's a good rooster. Huh, Elvis. Yes, he likes being on camera too. And his spurs are growing a little bit. I don't have to cut him yet, but I might, since he's a little bit aggressive. But it's okay, that's what I got him for. They said Rhode Island Reds are the best defense for your flocks, so I got one of these right here. Well, I got 2 now. And they did a very good job. Very good birds. Alright, I set them down. Alright then, fellas, and there's Carla, my Rhode Island chicken. She's the same age. She lays 1 egg every day. Very good layer. She's on the primes right now. So you can see her right there, scratching for feet and everything. She's a little shy though. There goes my rooster. And over here we have Goldie. And look at my roosters. This is why I can't free range them. They have to take turns, 1 day at a time, because they go at it. Choo. It's my chickens. Alright then, guys, that was a little update on our chickens. We now have 2 roosters and 2 chickens. We did lose 1 chicken, Elliot, due to predators, but we learn new things every day. We learn from our mistakes, and we try to fix them. So the key is never to give up. Always keep on trying. If you really like what you're doing, or you really want to do something, just go at it and don't give up, no matter what happens. And yeah, we plan to expand more, and hopefully we learn from that mistake and we won't make it again. So if you like, it was just a little update on my chickens and how they're doing now. So hope you like this video. So if you like, subscribe and comment down below if you like, and see you guys in the next one.